In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to withdraw money from Vinted. If you've made sales and are ready to transfer your earnings to your bank account, I'll walk you through the steps to get your funds securely. Before we jump in, if you find this guide useful, please consider leaving a comment, subscribing to the channel, and giving it a like. It really helps us bring more helpful content your way. To withdraw money from your Vinted account, follow these simple steps. Open the Vinted app and log into your account. Go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. In your profile, tap on Wallet or Balance to view your current available balance. Select the Withdraw option. If this is your first withdrawal, you may need to link a bank account or payment method. Follow the prompts to confirm the amount you'd like to withdraw and finalize the transfer. Once confirmed, your funds will be sent to your linked bank account. Note that processing times may vary depending on your bank. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn money from your Vinted balance to your bank account. To recap, today we covered the steps to access your Vinted wallet, link a payment method, and securely withdraw your funds. If this tutorial was helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let us know if there are other Vinted features you'd like to see. And stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.